Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this Aries inspired nail design using totally dipped dip powders. So let's get right into the video. So I've already applied my tips and buff my nails, and now I'm applying my Pro Dip Prep to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any, you can use rubbing alcohol or acetone, they both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dip into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step. Starting on the ring nail, I'm using Keiko's from Totally Dipped. So I apply a thin layer of base and then I laid my finger into the glitter. This glitter is really chunky, so I would recommend that you lay your finger onto the glitter instead of dipping. And you need to use your fingers on your opposite hand to ensure that the glitter lays flat. I did 2 layers of the glitter. So I'm doing an Aries inspired nail design as I've said before, and the birthstone for Aries is a diamond. As you all may know, diamonds are colorless. They also don't shine, they reflect. So what better color to represent diamond than this? This is the closest color I could get anyway. On the middle finger, I'm using the light pink known as Bossy. I did 3 layers of that, which was a mistake. I should have done 2 layers, but you live and you learn. Moving on to the pinky nail, I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then I poured the pink dip powder on the nail. I did 2 layers of that. Now moving on to the index nail, I did the same thing. In a glass, I pour my activator, not too much, a little goes a long way. And using my glitter dip powder and a 3D brush, I just placed my brush into the activator and then into the glitter and on my nail. So while doing the nails, I felt like I was losing my touch because the glitter wasn't sticking to the nail at all. I don't know why and what I was doing wrong, but silly me, I was only picking up glitter and not the clear powder. So I had to shake up the glitter in the jar for some of the clear dip powder to come up to the top. So I just did some glitter ombre on the index and pinky nail, and this glitter is really chunky but it's so gorgeous. When dealing with chunky glitters, I encapsulate the nails a little thicker than usual in order to file down so I don't file into the glitter. It usually works. What I can advise is to try and get the glitter to lay flat as soon as it's on the nail, so use your fingers if you have to. Now back to the middle finger where I made my mistake. So I wanted to be fancy and do the Aries sign in caviar bead. So I applied gel glue and top coat to the nail. And then I did the Aries symbol. It was very tedious and I wanted to change my mind when I reached to the second sign, but I thought to myself, just do it, and if it turns out like crap you can remove it, but all that work, wow, what a waste. Then I cured for 30 seconds. The first mistake I made was I applied too many layers of the powders to the middle nail. I already applied 2 layers of clear, so why did I do 3 layers of the pink to make the nail bulky when I knew I wanted to encapsulate the beads? I really wasn't thinking, so fast forward, I did file some of the beads off. So anyway, I encapsulated the nails with a few layers of clear dip powder, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied Activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and I didn't like it. As you can see, I did file into the beads, but I kept going although I knew I didn't like it. So I applied my Mother One's gel glue and top coat to the middle nail. I needed to see it with top coat because sometimes top coat makes things look nicer than it really is. So I was hopeful, although deep down I knew this was going to come off. Then I placed rhinestones all over the nail. Then I cured for 30 seconds and it still looked hideous, but I top coated the rest of the nails and cured for 30 seconds as well because why not? Let's see how it looks. Then I went even further and applied some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and I looked at the nails for a good 15 minutes. I took pictures of the nails and looked at it for another 15 minutes. I asked my mother what she thought and she said it's not bad but I can do better. So she also told me to take pictures of the nails and then remove it. So I filed it down with my e-file and then a hand file. Now I'm just going to build up the nail with the pink dip powder. I didn't encapsulate with clay, I just built up the nail. Then applied Activator to the nail and filed off camera. So this is after filing, and now I'm applying my gel glue. And gel top coat. Then some rhinestones into the Aries symbol, and then I cured for 30 seconds. Sometimes less is more. I wasted my time doing all that fancy-ish and still didn't like it. I really like this one. It's just cute and simple. I need to chill. I do not know why I like to do the most. Then I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So let me know what you guys think of the design. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!